So many times patients have asked me, doctor, why do I get these boils, on my eyelid very frequently? So it's very simple. So in our eyelid, we have a lot of these glands. They're called as the meibomian glands. Okay, now these glands basically secrete an oil, okay, that helps to keep our eyes lubricated and also prevents the tear secretion from evaporating too quickly. So what happens is when these glands gets clogged up, now why? Either because of poor hygiene conditions, or if you're someone who keeps touching your hand, touching your eyes, rubbing your eyes, or if you don't remove your makeup properly, what happens is those glands gets clogged up. And now it forms a good environment for the bacteria to grow, and this can eventually lead to an infection and the glands become infected and can lead to a small pus points. The other thing is the base of these eyelashes also has follicles, and that can become infected. Now again, if these follicles gets clogged up with oil, dead skin cells or other debris, then again this can cause infection and then lead to the formation of a boil. So in short, like in one line, why does it happen? It happens because those meibomian glands or the hair follicles, they become infected and they become clogged up, and this can lead to an infection and then an inflammatory reaction, and then you see as a small pus or a boil or a small projection. Okay, so initially it is quite painful. So the underlying thing is the take home message is make sure that you do not keep, because our hands, we touch so many places, and the same hand if you go and keep touching our eyes, that is not good. So make sure you don't take your hands to your eyes very frequently. Don't rub your eyes frequently. Make sure do not use expired makeup products. And even before going to bed, make sure you thoroughly clean your eyelashes. Now, if you're somebody who's constantly exposed to a lot of dust, while you're traveling, everything, make sure you come back home and clean your eyelashes either with lukewarm water or with just plain cold water, and then wipe your eyelashes. Now for some individuals, even they're too stressed out, what happens is their immune mechanism also slightly reduces, and this can again lead to a boil formation. So make sure that you're healthy. And in certain individuals who are diabetic or have other metabolic conditions are also more prone to these types. So the next time you get it, you know that there is something wrong, and you should make sure that you're a little more clean about your eye health. Okay, take care. Thank you.